If you like my videos, then hit the like button and share it with all your friends and subscribe to my channel. Definitely do that. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. First of all, subscribe to my channel, then watch the videos. Alright?
What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox another speaker box. Here you can see it's quite big in size. It's a tower speaker, and see quite tall in size, and it's from Vmax, and that's the main box. And bought this from Amazon, and Amazon sent me just like this, and see, own box. The experience with this thing is not so good. You can see that's the top side, and so I hope the product inside is good. So let's take it out and check the product out. So you get a packet with a remote control and the RCA cable. This is the box itself. A Slimline from the top and from the side. That's the subwoofer, the 5.25 inch Slimline from the front, so we can place it anywhere. So let's remove this plastic. So here you can see that's the front side, and at the top you get the display, then few buttons, and then the USB, and also the port for the mic, and treble, bass, and volume controller. And then after that, one channel speaker, and then another channel left and right, of course. And that's the ear passing port for the subwoofer, which is at the side, right side. So here at the back, this part is removable, and that's the input, RC input, and that's the on-off switch, as the AC cord and the FM antenna wire, and all the circuitry. And here I can see two big screws are there, so that must be for the transformer. So everything is in here. You can remove this part and check that out. That's it. And at the bottom you can see foam pads are there, anti-slipping pads. So that's it. And this thing has Bluetooth. So now it's time to connect this thing and check this out.